Besides just tapping the letters, you can write on your iPhone by swiping your finger across the letters, and your phone will automatically detect what word you're trying to type. This is a pretty cool way to speed up your typing, and it works surprisingly well. You can check if this feature is enabled by going to Settings, and then under the General menu, we'll scroll down to Keyboard. In the keyboard settings, you'll see a toggle for Slide to Type, and you'll want to make sure that's toggled on. Then just open any app with the keyboard and start sliding. You'll touch the first letter of a word and then slide your finger across the other letters without lifting your finger or letting go. Letting go tells your phone you're done with the word, so your iPhone will automatically add a space and get ready for the next word. If you're typing a word that has two identical and consecutive letters, like pizza, you don't need to touch the same letter twice. Just once is enough, and your phone will understand what word you're trying to type. If you get typos, you can tap the backspace button just once, and it'll actually delete the entire word instead of just one letter, although this can be toggled on and off in your keyboard settings. Another useful tip regarding editing your text is the text cursor. You can tap anywhere in the text to move the text cursor in case you need to go back and change something. But a better way to do this is to long press the spacebar, and you'll see all the letters sort of fade away. Then, without lifting your finger, you can slide your finger up and down and left to right to place the text cursor exactly where you want, which is way easier than trying to tap a specific spot between my words. Anyways, that's how you write by swiping and sliding. Tap that like button down there if this helped, and maybe subscribe for more? I post quick guides like this almost every day. Thanks all. Later.